All right, guys, this is the one of the problem we did in class on Friday. So here we have a word problem, and first we're going to do is identify our variables, okay, and break down the problem. It says the sum of two numbers. Sum of two numbers, so we know we're talking about addition. Sum talking about addition. But let me change that to a red. Sum of two numbers, right? The two numbers we don't know. We know one is larger and one is smaller. So let's define our variables. So let x equals the larger number, and let y is equal to the smaller number. Remember, we have to define the variables. That's what they're asking us to find. What is x and what is y? Now they tell you both numbers, right? The sum of both numbers is 90. The sum of both numbers is 90. Therefore, the sum, that's going to be x plus y, is equal to 90. Then the next part to tell you is that a large number is 14 more than, that's going to be a plus 14, all right? And then it tells you 3 times the small number, that's a multiplication, that's 3 times the small number. So let's write the second equation. The larger number, which is x, right, is equal to 14, a plus 14, more than 3 times the small number. The small number is y, therefore 3 times small number is 3y. All right, so my second equation is x is equal to 14 more than 3 times the small number. So I have two equations, two linear equations now I can solve. Now, if you look at the second equation, let me call this equation 1, and that is equation 2. If you look at equation 2, x is equal to something. It explicitly states that x is equal to 14 plus 3y. So that's my key. That's the one I'm going to substitute into the first equation. So wherever I see x in the first equation, I'm going to replace it with what x is equal to, which is 14 plus 3y. So I'm going to have, in my first equation now, I have x, but I'm going to replace that with 14 plus 3y, right? Then I have a plus y, therefore I must put another plus y in the new equation, which is equal to 19. So let's review this real quick. Another color, right? This right here is x, all right? Plus y is equal to 19. This is the same thing as the first equation. See that? Now, let's solve for x. Let's solve for y now. Now I have one equation, right, which is one variable. So I can solve for y. Now I'm going to group like terms. I have a 3y and a y. That gives me 4y. And that's 14 plus 4y is equal to 19. Okay? Now, remember, I want to solve for y now. I want this term by itself. So therefore, I have to minus 14 on both sides. Okay? That goes away. That leaves me with 4y is equal to 19 minus 14 is 76. 76. All right? Now I need y by itself. Therefore, I have to divide. Divide by 4. Divide by 4 on both sides. That goes away, and that leaves me y is equal to 4 into 76. That goes 1 and 4 9 is 36, 19. Okay. So I have my y value. I found the value of y. To find the value of x now, I take this value of y and I substitute it into the original equation. So let's go back up top. All right. What if my original equation is x plus y is equal to 19? Now I know what y is. So I can plug in the value of y. Y is 19. So if I go back down, I need some more space. I'm going to go back down. So x plus y is equal to 19. Let me extend space. So the first equation, right, is x plus y is equal to 19. We know what y is. Y is 19. So x plus 19 is equal to 19. A minus 19 on both sides. Okay, that goes away. That is what x is equal to. 19 minus 19 is 1 from 8, 71, 10. Yes, 71. So x is equal to 71. Okay, so I just found my x and y values. Okay, so that's number one.